Hey guys, it's a hot mid-August day and the temperature's climbing fast. Jess and I are out to make the most of it before yet another thunderstorm hits this evening. We already stopped for ice cream. Now we're on our way to go relax by a waterfall out on Wyman Mills, by the Wyman Mills Bridge, where we camped earlier this spring. Then we're gonna go do some blueberry picking. You can make it over to the little island in the middle of the river here if you're very careful when the water's low, but it is treacherous, so if you're going to attempt it, do be safe. But when you make it over here, there's some real cool rock formations. There's a small second set of waterfalls over here that go down into a little gorge. And there's a couple other cool things I'll show you over here too. The first time I made it over here, I saw this real quick and got real excited because I thought it said Donald Sutherland, the famous actor who was actually only born about an hour away from here in St. John. The timeline would kind of add up too, but turns out it's Ronald Sutherland. But there is a really cool rock and flower garden over here. This rock also comes in handy on a day like today, as it pretty much has some built-in cup holders. I think Jessica might be catching some afternoon Z's. Yeah. Do you feel refreshed now, honey, after your nap?
Sure do. 10 minutes is all I need.
I know, it actually feels pretty nice. We're here now at our third and final stop for today's mini road trip. We did drive through a small storm on the way out here, but it's starting to clear off again now. This is our usual put-in spot when we go canoe and kayak camping on the Macadavic River. We're between Brockway, New Brunswick and Thompson's Corner. We came out here a few weeks ago because the berries were starting to come in a little early this summer, but they're pretty much fully ripened now, so let's see how many we can harvest. There comes the sun again. Not too bad for about an hour of foraging. One last impromptu stop since it's on our way home anyway. We're at one of New Brunswick's historic covered bridges. This one was built in 1928 and it straddles the Diggity Wash River. We're going to try a little bit of magnet fishing. Take some skill to throw this through this hole.
I'll try that again.
Yeah. Let's try it a different way then. That works better. Second time out magnet fishing, and Jess is actually the first person to bring something up. It's just a couple little pieces of metal. There's definitely something down there it's clicking against, but we can't pull it up.